Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to edit a Google Form thank you page. So first thing is just simply go to your Google Form. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and select settings over here on the top. And now from here, you should be able to see a presentation. So just simply click on this icon over here, which is the arrow pointing downward. So this will be the thank you page, which is the confirmation message. And you should be able to edit it over here. And you should customize the text over here. So let's say we are going to go for thanks for responding to our forms. Thanks for your time. And after that, just simply select save. And now from here, let's test it out by clicking on this one, copy responder link. We're going to copy the link and we're going to open it up. And let's say we're going to provide the answer. For example, I click on submit. And from here, as you can see, this is what we have, and this will be the thank you page. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.